Yes, sir.
So, hi Anubhuti, a big congratulations to you getting selection in top renowned college in India, that is IMT Ghaziabad. So, how's your feeling after getting selection from IMT Ghaziabad?
I think when the mail came, I was my dad started reading out the mail, and I was very getting very nervous, and every word was making me even more nervous. But finally, it was a congratulations mail that I got from IMT Ghaziabad, and I'm really happy for that. And I would like to thank everyone who supported Career Choice 360, really helped me throughout the process, whether it was the written ability test, which is there in IMT Ghaziabad's process, and the PI. Everyone was very helpful, and all my queries and everything was resolved very nicely.
Anubhuti, you joined us very last minute before interview process of college. So,
Yes.
how's your short journey with us regarding the GD&PI process?
I think I joined very at the very late moment. I think
Yes,
it was almost mid January, and the time and my interview was on 9th of February.
yes,
So the time period was very short, and sir could take very few classes, but those classes were very helpful. And in every class, I was taught new things. I was taught of new topics which I can read. So
yes,
every class was very helpful. So with every PI mock that I was having, I was getting to know more. Okay, so these are the 10, 20, 15 topics that I have to study now. So with every class, I think I had a lot of improvement, and even the basic questions were heard very nicely, and sir gave suggestions on that time, matlab simultaneously only. So that was very helpful because I was making edits in my notes simultaneously. So I did not forget because the classes are like 1 hour and 1.5 hour, one mock session. So they also provided me with notes, with mock questions, the questions that I should try and get through, which will help me get through the interview. So I think everyone was very helpful, and I was also pursuing an internship. So my timings were also very odd because I was going to office, but everyone
yes.
cooperated with that. So my classes were conducted late night so that I can also join and I can also learn.
Do you think there should be more practice session is required?
So I think practice is something that never ends. The more you study, the more is there to study.
Yes,
So whatever the field that you're choosing, there is endless amount of knowledge that is there. So I think in my case, more if there was more time, I could have practiced more, I could have learned more things. But I think with the time that I had, I have done my 100%. I have got such a nice mentor, and he helped me that okay, even in the I think my mock interview was one day before the IMT Ghaziabad's interview, that is
yes.
8th. So in the evening, I was there. I was in such a mental state that okay, even if now if someone is telling me new topics, I am ready. I will learn. But sir was like, no, now you don't study anything. Just be calm. Take proper 7 8 hours of sleep. So that because it was the morning slot, so you have to get up very early to reach the IMT Ghaziabad center. So that also helped me that okay, I got chill that okay, now everything I have done, it's like for 20 25 days now, it's okay. Now let's leave it. Whatever tomorrow will happen, it will happen. I will be calm and I'll be answering whatever I have learned till now.
So, would you recommend us to other students?
Yes, I'll definitely recommend Career 360 to other students. Even if you are a beginner, you're not aware what a PI is, what a GD is, how to approach, even then you should join because it's a journey. So when you start, you are unaware, tend to say things that you shouldn't be saying in a formal setting. But sir is very patient with everything. My minutest and the silliest of my doubt was being addressed with utmost importance that okay, it's something that should be answered. So I never had that feeling and never had that hesitation that okay, I should not ask this question or I should not say this. I always had that openness with sir that okay, if I have anything to ask, anything to say, I can say. If I don't know any topic, whether it's the smallest of thing or the very basic concept of any subject, sir was always ready to help. He used to help not even with the topics, but he used to tell that okay, you should go to this YouTube channel. That he's like once he suggested me to go to Think School and see some videos, that these videos are helpful, and you can and if they ask you these questions, then you can answer. So even these things you can get help from him, that these are the very minute things that no one really tells. And these things require a lot of details, because you're unaware that how your PI will turn out. What is that one topic that the panel will hold, and your 10-15 minutes will revolve around that topic. So you have to be very aware of you have to be aware of everything that is happening, and sir is always there to help, whether it's general knowledge, whether it's subject based knowledge, or related to your graduation. So everything I think is very sorted and is very planned with Career 360. So if you're looking
No,
for
sorry.
some
This career choice 360.
Career Choice 360,
Yes. Yes.
everything is very planned, and your preparation will be very smooth, and everyone there is the team is very helpful, and they are ready to help every time you ask any question.
Okay, Anubhuti, thank you so much. And I would like to recommend you, if you have any question, or if you want to any help regarding the college or college life from the senior student of your upcoming college, you can call me and you
Yes.
can tell me about that. I will connect with him or her to you regarding the
Okay,
college
sir.
life और कैसे आगे college में जाना है. Okay, so best of luck for your
Okay, thank
future.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.